Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Welcome to FF Steel. FF Steel, with its 2 units in Lahore and Peshawar, was incorporated in 1986 and is jointly the largest producer of grade 60 steel bars in Pakistan. Let me tell you about our process. We purchase the U.S. Institute of Scrap Recycling Industries 201 scrap from all over the world, which is then shipped to Karachi, Pakistan. The steel scrap is transported from Karachi to our plants in Lahore and Peshawar by truck. After segregation and quality checks, the scrap is fed into a vibro feeder, from where it is then charged into 40 tons induction furnaces. After melting and reaching a temperature of 1710 degrees Celsius, the molten metal is transferred into buckets known as ladles, which are then brought to the continuous casting machine, CCM. In the CCM, the molten metal is cooled and formed into billets measuring 4 inches by 4 inches and 20 feet long. These billets, whose temperature is reduced to 1200 degrees Celsius, are fed into the roughing mill, where their size is reduced from 4 inches to 2 inches. The process continues in the intermediate mill and the finishing mill, where the required size of steel bars is achieved. The steel bars are cooled on a cooling bed, and 3 tons bundles are made before being dispatched to our clients. We have our own 132 kilowatts grid station comprising 2 40 megawatts transformers. Let me take you inside where the actual melting takes place. We have 2 furnaces, each with a capacity of 40 tons and a 16 megawatts power supply. The segregated scrap, including shredded, HMS, and bundle scrap, is fed with the help of magnets to vibro feeder, from where it is charged into the furnace according to the desired composition. During the 90 minutes melting process, molten metal samples are taken to be checked on a spectrometer to ensure that the proper chemical composition is being maintained. Before pouring the molten metal, the required chemicals are added to it. We have dedicated chemical labs for each furnace that ensure the exact chemical composition required for manufacturing top-quality steel. These labs are equipped with spectro machines, which provide the chemical composition of more than 30 elements in a sample with an accuracy of up to 0.001%. The furnace operator continuously monitors the engineering parameters via SCADA system to ensure the efficient utilization of machinery and electricity. We take pride in having the best air pollution control system, APC, available. The smog that rises from the molten metal is captured in the dog house, filtered, cleaned, and released through the chimney, where continuous monitoring ensures that no national environmental standards are violated. As you can see, 45,000 kilograms of molten metal is transferred from the melting furnace to the CCM. This weight is approximately equal to 75 Suzuki Alto cars. This is the CCM, where the caster pours the molten metal into water-cooled copper molds, where it is cooled to 1200 degrees Celsius. All of this is managed through SCADA system, that is, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System. Every machine parameter is visible to the operator on the LED monitor. The CCM speed, water flow, and cooling parameters can be controlled automatically by the CCM operator. As you can see, the solidified billets emerging from the CCM are cut into the desired size with the help of hydraulic billet shear machine. These billets are then fed to the roughing mill. In the roughing mill, after a number of passes, the size is further reduced before being fed into the intermediate mill and finishing mill. This is the main control room of the rolling mill. In this mill, the human-machine interface is through the latest version of SCADA. All required parameters of every machine in rolling mill are monitored from the LED screen in the control room. Required adjustments in water flow, motor RPM, load on motors, and motor response selection can all be controlled from this pulpit. As you can see, after various passes in this rolling mill, the size of the rebars is reduced to the required size. After being rolled through several processes, the rebar, having acquired its final size and shape, falls onto the cooling bed. The temperature here is around 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. These rebars are allowed to cool in the ambient atmosphere before being cut to customized sizes and moved to the next section. In order to ensure exact compliance with ASTM standards, sampling is conducted every 10 minutes to check the physical properties of the rebars. Such high-quality testing facilities enable us to consistently provide the best quality to our customers at all times. The rebars are tightened using an automated bundling machine to ensure that the rebar bundles remain intact during stocking, transport, until they reach the customer site. After being weighed, the bundles are tagged with the help of spot welding. These tags contain all the information about the weight, size, length, grade, and date of manufacture of the bundles. You can observe that we have a substantial stock stored in our stockyard, with a maximum capacity of 25,000 tons. This enables us to ensure timely delivery to every corner throughout Pakistan. Additionally, we have 4 weighing stations, each with the capacity to weigh up to 120 tons. Every consignment undergoes 2 weigh-ins upon arrival and 2 more upon departure to guarantee accurate weights for delivery to our clients. FF Steel prioritizes the mental health of its employees and ensures a proper work-life balance. The company invests in training sessions to enhance their skills and provides recreational spaces where employees can play snooker, carom board, and badminton after office hours. Hope you enjoyed our virtual tour.